This is a 162,000 mile VW Golf, and it's rattling badly. If the timing chain's gone, a garage repair could be close to £1,000. Today, we're stripping it down to find out if it's a cheap fix or this engine is finished.
Engine very bad.
Death rattle on a Golf TSI. Let's go start it up and have a listen to it.
Oh, someone's been at this, haven't they? Look at them.
Oh dear lord.
Oh. Bit of a Matt Armstrong here, but engine very bad. So we're just driving it around to the workshop now. I am terrified it's not going to last the 2 minutes to get to the workshop. I'm going to have another head and valve job to do, which I do not fancy. Also, clutch very bad.
Very, very bad. This car may have a death rattle, Dave.
May. Yeah.
May. Might be fine. Have a look at the mileage.
162,000.
From a 1.2. So as we said, this car is a very high mileage car. It's not worth putting it in a garage to get all this work done. Parts alone in a garage, they're probably going to cost you, I think we priced it up roughly, it was like over £200 for the cam chain kit, it was over £100 for the clutch kit, you know, did one other studs, and then you're talking close on £100, maybe more an hour labour. This car's just not worth it at all. Me and Dave have said we'll do it. We took it on. We've managed to source the parts off the internet a lot cheaper.
Quality parts.
And we've got quality parts. We have, Dave, you're not wrong. As with modern cars, very important, timing kit. It's £25 off eBay. Full 3-piece blueprint clutch. Less than 70 quid. And a full SKF timing chain kit. When I asked the garage to give us a price on the timing chain kit, they only wanted to tell me the kit with the top chain. This car rattles that bad, I don't know how bad the second chain is. Just like the Clio, it's got two chains. It's got the chain on the top and the chain at the bottom for the oil pump. This kit has got everything. It's got guides, got new bolts, oil seal, new sprocket, other new sprocket, little chain, big chain, I'm assuming, yeah, new tensioner. The diagnostic into this car being this job is as much as me starting it up and going, yeah, that's knackered. If you look anywhere, it's a very common sound, it's a very common knowledge of what goes on these, so we're hoping it's not too far gone, just like the Clio.
That had gone.
That had gone. This is still running, so it should be okay. It should just be the fact it's rattling. And my money is on there's a guide snapped, and it's the guide that's rattling against the chain. That's what I'm thinking.
Sounds very plausible.
The chain's going to be slack, but I reckon it's the guide that's making the noise somewhere.
Sweet. That's the serpentine belt off, or auger belt off. Someone's had a good go at trying to fix this sump before. Okay.
So Dave's just taken all the bolts off around the sump. Have you drained the oil out, have you, Dave? Yeah? Lovely, lovely. So as you can see, crank pulley, front timing cover. So we'll strip this down to the bottom and then we'll work our way up. So all the sump bolts are out. Pull it out. Hey! Gasket sludge. Oh, that's nasty. It's black.
Oh, look, all the gasket sealer in the pickup.
Oh.
Hang on, Dave.
That's bits of gasket, that's bits of that's gummed up to death. Oh, that's plastic.
That could have been.
That's bits of guide, that, isn't it?
Look, there's silicone there. Look at that thing on the down.
No, that's the dipstick.
What was it?
Dipstick.
I'm getting old now, Dave. I can't see. Oh, look at that chain.
Oh,
Got a bit of light there.
oh yes. Death rattle. So at least we know it's a timing chain.
Yeah. And very near the whole engine with the way that is. That'll have to come off and have a clean.
Yeah. Right. Oil pickup is off. The sump is disgusting. We've just turned the crank And with this engine, it's very nice and simple for timing. You rotate the crank, you put a pin in the side of the block, and when the crank touches it, that's your crank timed. Then when we go up top, hopefully at that same point, the pin in the back of the cam should fit. If it doesn't, once the chain's off, rotate the cam until the locking tool fits in the back of the cam. Cam is timed, block is timed, new chain can be fitted. There is said pin touching the crank. Look at that. That was minging. Look at all the stuff inside that. It's never good. You don't want anything in this pickup thing. Most of that bits, I think, are timing chain guide, the plastic. That means what I said is probably right. The timing chain guides have probably failed. Not only have you got the problem of the timing chain rattle, you've got the problem of the pickup pipe being blocked. If the pickup pipe's blocked, oil can't get to the engine, lose oil pressure, problems. Now, how bad's it been this long for is the question. Has it caused any more damage? We are yet to know. What's the saying, Dave? One round of bolt away from disaster?
Yeah, unless you've got a really nice easy out kit. So most kits come with a drill and easy out in the kit. Just drill it out, hammer in the easy out.
And watch it come out. Far too much gasket go on.
But look at the gasket go on this. There's my touch.
Look, it's on the bolt.
I know.
Oh.
So once we've just chiselled through all the schmoo.
Oh, look at
Look
that.
at that. That is huge. You can move the chain while it's on the pulleys.
Oh, yeah, look at that. So we've probably got a combination here. Probably there's a guide broke and the chain stretched.
Yeah.
So basically, it's
Timing cover.
engine mount, timing cover, removal of all the broken pieces. Pub. Next time, we're fitting the new chain and guides properly, and we're going to find out if this 162,000 mile Golf is worth saving, or we should have just scrapped it.